Why hello there and welcome to the last Big Bear Mountain construction update, because ride opens next week, so this will be the last construction update. The next time I'm here, I'll be riding it. But yeah, I am sitting on the other side of the path from usual, so the ride's over there. I should point the camera over there. So right in front of the waterfall, you'll see a big green pole. So this went in, I'm gonna guess Tuesday, because that's the only day the park's been closed, unless they did it like after hours one day. But yeah, you see a brand new pole. It's got some, well, a security camera on it, but also more importantly, some lighting equipment and what looks like a projector. And there's another similar one that went in over there, both pointed at the waterfall. So it definitely looks like we'll be getting some cool lighting effects on the waterfall at night. Maybe a little bit of projections. I'm not expecting any like crazy projection mapping or anything like that, but maybe a little projections, like some water twinkling or something like that. This is the clearest that I've seen this water be like ever, so that's pretty cool as well. Not much has changed along this hillside here, but there is what appears to be a little bit of lighting equipment over there. So I'm gonna get closer over there and see what I can see. So yeah, on this highest turn coming off of the first launch, you can see a few little pieces of lighting equipment down there. They don't look very, I don't know, permanent. I mean, they are, but hopefully it'll look better when a bit more of the landscaping's done. You can see another one over there, and if you duck under, one over there. Yeah, those appear to be the only 4 lights that I'm seeing. There's definitely nothing over on this side of the hill, which is kind of unfortunate. Maybe they're planning to put that in later, not sure. But at least there will be a little bit of lighting, at least here, to make it look cool at night. Okay, yeah, I'm actually now counting a total of 5 bulbs. So apparently they really want this section of the ride in particular to be lit up. As you probably expect, nothing's changed on the launch tracks. These seem to be ready to go for opening. Okay, I was just standing here and the launch track just made a very loud bear growling noise in the launch track. There we go, just did it again. Seems to do that every time the train's about to come into the launch, so Maybe that's just kind of the queue line area theming. I don't know. It's funny though. So the fence is still up. They haven't opened up the plaza yet, but they are finishing up, getting it ready to go. Lots of trucks and stuff here as they're finishing up landscaping, mulching. They're staining some of the poles, etc., etc. Just all the finishing touches. You can hear that from here. Well, that's a funny thing. There's like a big circular wooden board with like bear claw marks in it, with a bear like peering out of it. It's like a son of beast sign moment. I don't exactly think that that's part of the plaza. We'll end up seeing, obviously, but I think that's just the backdrop for like the stage for the opening day ceremony. At least that's what I would assume. That's what it looks like. So I don't think that's going to be there when the ride opens. It's a cool backdrop though. You can see that brand new building that we think is going to be the snack and drink vendor is made a lot of progress. It's painted, it's got a roof. Looks like they still have a lot of work to do on the interior of that, but I'm assuming the ride will be able to open just fine, even if that's not quite done yet. I wouldn't be surprised if that opens a bit after the actual ride. I should also mention you can see the wait time board has gone in as well since last week, so that's very cool. Perfect dispatch interval. Beautiful. That's about it for this construction update. For the last Big Bear Mountain construction update, at least for me, about a week and 2 days till I'll be riding. I'll be riding on the 13th. So if any of you are here on the 13th, I hope to see you. There it goes over there. Right now. Wait, yeah, there it is. And there's Thunderhead. Yay. I'm gonna run some of the coasters because these are some of the shortest lines I've seen in a while here. Not doing a vlog today because I'm pretty behind on editing my vlogs anyway, and I feel like my Dollywood vlogs are getting kind of repetitive because I'm here so much. It's just me saying the same things, riding the same rides over and over again. But I will have a full vlog on opening weekend of Big Bear Mountain, my first rides and everything, so look forward to that. Trying to do a lot of coverage for the opening of this ride as much as I can, and also other stuff in the greater amusement industry, a lot in the East Tennessee area because that's where I am. But if any of that interests you, be sure to subscribe and leave a like if you found this update useful because that helps other people find it. And otherwise, I hope to catch a ride with you again very soon.